Ain't that right, Arnold? Ain't that right? I'm gonna feed all my farm animals at once. Just one time at this time, like right now, I'm gonna do it. Ain't that right, you chickens as well? You cat who can't forget the dogs and you gang here. Ain't that right, Latina? Oh my goodness. Hello. Arnold, get over here. Don't be sad. Get over here. You want some tickles? I'm gonna give you some tickles. Okay, get over here. Here's my hand. You just want some food, don't you? Okay, first, I'm gonna start off with the chickens. It's pretty easy. Like, come on, they're just chickens. Maybe not the chickens first. I mean, all the cats are already here, so not all of them, but some of them. Some of them are here. Some of them are out there. I don't know. Cat food. Oh, there's the other cat. There's not a lot. You got your food. Let's go. There's the food. You don't want me to close it, don't you? Don't you? That took so long. Now get in there and eat. With the other cats. There you are. Go eat, my cats. Go eat. And the second one are for the chickens. I don't know where's the machete. I probably don't need it. Just this is the only food they have, so just gonna smash it into pieces because this is the only food they get. And I'm gonna see you guys later until these are pretty crumbled. Boom, easy. You guys can eat. That was pretty easy. Oh yeah, there's this. Get back here, Bubba. He like it right here, Bubba. That's right. Lay down. Who's been a good boy? You've been a very good boy. Ancha. Now let's go with your dog friend. Because you like fighting with them. I mean, the other chicks got food, and also them. So yeah, completo. I got the cats and the chickens. All we need is the dogs, chickens. They think I gotta get them food because I got their favorite. Okay, never mind. I'll see if the cats are going well. So far, only the adults are eating, and that's a tell. Yeah, only the adults. Yeah, that's enough for today, but for right now. Stop it! Broken foot. Okay, you know what? Just be careful with yourself. Oh, Baba, you came back. I thought you didn't want to be with the dogs. But remember, I'm not taking you with them. The dog's gonna fight with you. He's hungry. He's starving. And I'm gonna give them food. You guys must be happy. Now, go chomp on those foods. Chomp. That's not allowed. Shut up. So yeah, today was just a simple video. Just feeding my animals. Because why not? Why not feed my animals and record them? Why not? Ain't that right? Ain't that right? Oh, so see you guys in the next vlog. Say bye, Bubba. Say bye. Boy. Play with. Oh, look at them. They're playing with each other. Look at them. It's so adorable.